angels cheer just because we're together. Otherwise, it's such a lovely day. Now say the word and I'll beat those birds down to Acapulco Bay. It's so perfect for a flying honeymoon, that's what they say. Come on, fly with me, let's all fly away out. We are gonna glide all starry-eyed. Once I get you up there, I'll be holding you so very near that you might even hear all the angels cheer because we're together. Otherwise, it's such a cool day.